Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up the Fusion Panther trading bot step by step. First, head over to the products section and find Fusion Panther. Click on View Details. Here you can explore everything about the bot, its features, setup guide, and even testimonials from users. I've also prepared a document to help you understand exactly how it works. Now, let's talk about how Fusion Panther works. Fusion Panther is a dual strategy breakout expert advisor, specifically designed for gold trading. It combines two powerful strategies: the previous day high and low breakout, and the London session range breakout. While you can trade other pairs, it's optimized for gold, and historical data shows an 87% win rate for gold trading. The recommended settings are simple. The trading pair is gold, the stop loss is 40 pips, and the take profit is 250 pips. An 87% win rate for gold trading. For risk management, you have three options. You can use a fixed lot size, which is the same lot for every trade. Or you can risk a percentage of your account, which compounds as profits grow. Or you can choose a fixed dollar amount per trade. We recommend starting with a fixed dollar amount or fixed lot size, depending on your preference. The bot also includes a trailing stop, which helps lock in profits, break-even and stop-loss features, and news filters to avoid high-impact news events. Fusion Panther is perfect for prop firm trading, personal accounts, or for investors seeking consistent monthly growth. It's consistent, reliable, and we keep updating the algorithms regularly. Now, let's move on to purchasing the bot. First, add the bot to your cart and proceed to checkout. Choose your payment method. I prefer cryptocurrency because of the lower processing fees, but you can select any method that works for you. Apply a coupon if available and accept the terms of operation. Complete your payment. Once successful, check your email for the license key. Next, we'll set up the bot. Download your EA from your dashboard. Copy the EA file and transfer it to your VPS. Using a VPS ensures your computer runs 24/7. Organize your files by creating a folder named Fusion Panther and paste the EA inside. Open MT5. Go to File arrow. Open Data folder arrow. MQL5 Experts. And paste your EA there. Refresh MT5. Close it and reopen it. You should now see Fusion Panther in your expert advisors list.
Remember, it's meant for just gold. Now go to your chart. Alright, and the next thing we have to do is activate the bot. Alright, so to activate the bot, I'll show you how to do it. You'll also see it here. First, install the EA. Copy the EA file. Restart MT5. We've already done that. Next, configure MT5. So, go to Tools arrow, Options arrow, Expert Advisors. Enable Allow Automated Trading. Copy this. Paste the URL here. Okay, you can see it. The green icon means the bot is now activated. After that, just drag the bot onto gold. Allow inputs, and now set your inputs. Here, input your license key. Where do you get your license key? Go back here. Copy your license key. Paste the license key. Magic number stays as it is. Now, risk management settings. Pick your risk method. I want to use fixed dollar. Like I mentioned before, you can risk by lot size, by balance, or by compounding. If you want to compound, choose this. For me, I'll pick fixed dollar size. Now go to the dollar size. For me, I'll risk $10 per trade. Then the stop loss, don't touch any of this. Everything is perfect. You can see the settings here. Even the news filters, you can see everything. Alright, now I'll click OK. Alright, now you can see Fusion Panther is active. It's already opening positions. You can see one pending order here. This is how you know it's active. You'll see the status, active license, valid dates, equity. You can see the positions. You can see everything. Once you see all of this, you know your Fusion Panther is active, and it should start taking trades whenever there's an opportunity.